I challenged my Blue Beagle friends to take a walk outside and send me pictures of them next to something colorful in our world. Can you guess what colors they found?
What color did Lorelai find? That's right, she found purple. Here's a new color for you. What color is in all of these pictures? Did you guess it? Did you see all of the yellow things these kids found in their yards? Here's a new color. Did you guess orange for this color? Graham even found an orange Easter egg in his yard. Guess what color you'll see the most of in these pictures? We saw lots of blue pool water in these pictures. Here's another color. What color do you see in these pictures? Did you see all of the bright red in these pictures? Now here's a tricky one. What color do you see the most of in this picture? Look at all the silver fish they caught. Are you ready for the next color? What do you see in these pictures? Flowers are gorgeous. Don't let this next one fool you. Is white even a color? What do you think? And what about this one? Is it a color? Now this is a color we see a lot of since we live in Florida. That sure was a lot of green. Now can you go outside and find something colorful?